What's up, friends? Your girl back at it again. So today is a little bit different. This is just my own take, my personal take, my own belief. Take it or leave it. Take what resonates. Y'all don't have to agree what I have to say, okay? Yes. So this is just my take, my own opinion. I know that's right. Okay. So let's go. I would never fall for hookup culture. Bitch, I would never fall for hookup culture. What the fuck even is hookup culture? Hello. To me maybe a little bit spiritualish, a little bit, just not my belief. And also avoid yung top lu begin your sexual encounter to get the energy from the person that you're sleeping with. In general, every single thing is energies to me, and especially having sex is something really intense. Energy transferred through sex easily. Yeah. Oh, okay. That is just my take. Okay, so example, if you guys slept with someone that slept with a lot of people, and yes, bitch, you're going to get those energy as well. Like I said, it's this is not wing veloy, but it's working like that in my head. It's actually working like that, and actually I do have proof though, and the proof maybe this is my own belief. I just want to share, or might as well some of y'all could relate or agree. I don't know. Example, if the person you guys sleeping with having depression, you're going to get the depression. If that person going through really bad big trauma stuff, you guys going to get those feelings as well. It just transferred that easily, just like a sexual disease, at this point, so back to hookup culture these days, just really getting out of hands. I was so shocked, and I have literally have no word. I don't get because but that anh ấy nhôm mình ham kho đây bởi sân nào thì anh agree tới cái thằng anh ấy phong nhôm chat nhôm so chat chỉ bị thay anh ấy phong girl. You look like the person who believe every single thing ChatGPT said, bitch. No shade, but yes, and yes, it's actually do work like that. Hey, example, when you taboo topic đấy. So notice how bộ mi paddle bộ chả cha gravitating to the person who hiện tầm bình vây tầm ấy, because most of them are innocent and pure soul. They literally have nothing but hope, happy, and every single thing. They have their dream. And notice how after the sexual encounter with those bộ mi cha, and now what? Right? Bitch, right. Right. Oh shit. Oh. Right. So Annie, that's why if you're young, beautiful, smart, and everything, please stay protected. Okay. And if you guys chẳng thời sẽ chất này, it's your own body, your own choice. I don't give a fuck. But it's just a disclaimer. Bao mình chưa công mà đó nó. Hiện chẳng đấy. Yes, hai này nhưng cái tha vì hiện ở vậy mà dạng đại stop tới view. Định mở tiếng bôi dọn định I don't know, but it's actually kind of like that. If you have to think about it and but you guys observe of it, it's kind of like that. Yeah, I hate to break it to y'all, and that is exactly why don't just go sleep with anybody if you guys not married, or you guys don't even know each other really well. Especially the person who tập bia lá tìm muối bà dân dậy bị logical mình tên cộng spiritual hưởng ấy okay vì ai nằng if you guys sleep with net go around vào cái nhau chẳng yeah, you might get some disease back, but at thế có được nhom dậy chẳng it's kind of like that, babes. Stay protected, stay healthy. I'm just here to deliver the message. I just literally can't do it. Hashtag Miss Uncrackable, bitch. I don't give a fuck. I just don't. In this society, in this era, is kind of crazy and it's kind of scary at the same time. So again, I hope all my follower, all my friends and family stay safe, protected. Like with the right person, you might get healing, grow, and higher alignment. But that bởiជាមួយ wrong person ហើយ you guys going to live with a confusion and ដូចខ្ញុំនិយាយពីដើមចឹង yeah their trauma, their depression ហើយ questioning ខ្លួនឯងមិនខ្លួនឯងរហូតដល់ធ្លាប់ត confident ធ្លាប់តស្រាញ់ខ្លួនឯងមិនហើយមិនបានមានអារម្មណ៍ថា you will never be enough because you get it from that person. Yeah, it's actually working like that, babe. Like literally it, babe. That is just like something that so I feel the need to speak out for no reason like whatsoever. But yeah ស្ដាប់បើថាជឿក៏ជឿអត់ក៏អត់បើមិនជឿកុំប្រមាថដល់ចាមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងហ្នឹង and stay protected, stay safe, you guys. See you guys in the next vlog. I'm preparing my behind the scene of behind the scene video, you guys, so cannot wait for you guys to see. Bye bye. Yeah.